front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background, like that. Now, tap on the icon of it at the top and select Open in pop-up view from the pop-up. As you can see now, I can use it in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can even drag it to close section at the bottom to close it right away. If you wanna resize it or reshape it, so ceramic click. Hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. Now, to minimize it, tap on Home button and then tap on the bubble. If you wanna move your bubble, hold it and drag it. You can also close your window by dragging the bubble to close section I showed you before. Now, open your window and use it whenever you wish. If you wanna, you can also tap on this line at the top you used to move your window around and check out all of those options. This one here on the left will make all of those options appear at the top right corner. This line will minimize your app. This icon here will switch from pop-up to split, so when you click on it, you need to select the second app and enjoy using both. Then if you wanna go back, click on this line here and select pop-up view option. Now, this one will open your app in full screen view to arrows 1, and last one, which is this X, will close your window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!